Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to enable dark mode in Google Docs on PC. If you're someone who spends long hours writing, editing, or even just reading in Google Docs, you've probably noticed how the bright white background can be quite taxing on your eyes, especially during nighttime. Dark mode can be a real lifesaver here, reducing the glare and making the screen much easier to look at. While Google Docs on PC doesn't have a built-in dark mode feature, don't worry. We're going to show you exactly how you can achieve this using your browser or system settings, ensuring that your documents remain clear and easy to read. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open Google Docs in your browser so you can witness the magic of dark mode happen right before your eyes. One of the simplest methods is to leverage your browser's theme settings. If you're using Google Chrome, here's what you'll do. Navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're there, look for the Appearance section. Within Appearance, you'll find the Theme option. Simply choose the Dark theme. This action will instruct Chrome to adopt a darker interface, which will automatically apply to compatible sites, including Google Docs. If your browser of choice is Microsoft Edge, the process is quite similar. Head over to the Settings, open the Appearance section, then find the Theme option and select Dark. As soon as you make this change and switch back to your Google Docs tab, you should notice the interface transforming into soothing dark tones. Some browsers have the added capability of following your computer's system theme automatically. So, if you already have a dark theme set at the operating system level and your browser is configured to follow it, Google Docs will adapt without any additional steps from you. This feature is especially handy if you like your entire desktop environment to change according to the time of day or your personal preferences. For those who want more control, or if your browser's theme doesn't cover everything you need, you might consider using a dark mode extension from your browser's add-on store. Extensions like Dark Reader are excellent choices. They allow you to adjust brightness, contrast, and even decide which sites should have dark mode and which should not. This flexibility is particularly useful if you find the default dark themes to be too intense or not quite dark enough for your liking. Once dark mode is enabled, either through your browser settings or an extension, Google Docs will switch to a darker background with lighter text, maintaining readability while offering a more comfortable viewing experience. Importantly, your document formatting will stay intact. So when you print or share your file, it won't be affected by your personal theme choices. And collaborators will see the document according to their own theme settings on their devices. If you decide you want to revert to the standard light theme, it's as easy as disabling the dark theme in your browser settings, or turning off the dark mode extension. Your Google Docs tab will immediately return to its original appearance. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to enable dark mode in Google Docs on PC. If you want more videos like how to enable dark mode in Google Docs on PC, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.